Lecture 4. Create folders to keep similar emails together. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to take your inbox from messy to manageable. If you have ever scrolled through dozens or hundreds of emails trying to find one message, you are not alone. The solution: folders. In this lecture, you will learn how to create folders in Outlook and use them to group related emails so your inbox stay organized and easy to navigate. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this session, you will understand the purpose of email folders, learn how to create, name, and organize folders in Outlook, know how to move emails into folders manually or automatically. Why use folders? Folders help you group related emails together by course, project, or person. Keep your inbox clear and focused. Find past emails quickly without endless scrolling. How to create a folder in Outlook. For example, first of all, I just want to move this specific email to the specific folder. I'll just right click on that and click on this move. And here is the option called create a folder. We'll click on that. We name that, for example, Google emails. Click on save and your folder will appear in the list. For example, in here. Here you can see Google emails in here. When you click on that, then that specific email that we selected is already in here. Here you can see the one. It shows that one email is in here in this specific folder. Moving emails to a folder. You can move emails in two simple ways. Drag and drop. Click on an email and drag it into a folder. For example, I just want to go with in here and I just want to move another Google email. I'll find that, this one, and I just want to move it and I'll just click on it and drag it to that specific folder, Google emails. I'll click on that and here you can see it has changed to 2 as there are 2 emails for that Google that we already have moved to this folder. The second option is right click the email. For example, I just want to go with inbox and I just want to find a Google email, this one. We will right click on the email, hover the mouse to the move, and you can see here is the option that we already have created a folder. You can create a new folder as well, but as we want this file to be moved to this Google emails, we'll click on that. So when you click on this Google emails, here there are 3 emails that have been moved and the number 2 shows that 2 of them are unread. So when you click on that and when you click on the second one, so all of them are read, so it shows no numbers. So this is how you can move an email using these 2 methods to this folder in Microsoft Outlook. Bonus tip: subfolders for extra organization. If you want to go further, right click a folder you created, like in here, we'll click on that, and you can create a new subfolder as well to organize these specific files of this specific folder. For example, I just want to create a subfolder of this specific folder. We'll right click on this and hover the mouse to this create new subfolder. We'll click on that and you can just rename that security alerts and we'll just click on this save sign. Here you can see this is the main folder of Google emails and this is the security alerts, as we have got the emails from Google as a security alert. So these files will be moved to this specific subfolder. Setup rules. Options for future lectures. While today we are focusing on manual sorting, Outlook can also move emails automatically using rules. We'll cover that in an upcoming session.